As of October 2025, DoorDash accepts EBT, which is electronic benefits transfer, primarily for SNAP benefits in all 50 U.S. states, territories, and D.C. This allows SNAP recipients to purchase eligible groceries online for delivery. To be eligible, you must have an active EBT card and order only SNAP-eligible items like fruits, vegetables, meats, and dairy. These items are available from participating stores within the DoorDash app, such as DashMart, Walmart, Kroger, and Whole Foods. The eligible items image shows what you can buy with SNAP, like bread, beans, honey, and milk. Items like alcohol, tobacco, hot prepared foods, and non-food items are not EBT eligible. DoorDash partners with the USDA to enforce these rules, ensuring secure and compliant transactions. To set up EBT on DoorDash, start by downloading or updating the app. Create or log in to your DoorDash account. Navigate to the Payments section in the app. Add your EBT card by entering the card number, expiration date, and CVV. A one-time verification code may be sent to your phone for security. At checkout, add eligible groceries to your cart from partnered stores. Select EBT as the payment method. The app will display your EBT balance. Pay any remaining balance for delivery fees or ineligible items with another method, like a credit card. Track your delivery and receive a digital receipt detailing the EBT transaction.